Hi, have you met Nightingale? Up to today, there are still many complex questions that remain unanswered about the COVID situation all around the world. However, we don't need complex answers. We need them to be simple so we can understand them. That's what we do. We also deliver them on a mobile app that gives you all the complex information in a form that is beautiful and easy to understand. Here's where you can see Nightingale in action, some of our most beautiful and interactive functionalities. ABM allows one to capture the stochastic behavior of people observed in the real-world system. Agents make decisions similar to how people do in the real world. Simulating an ABM multiple times will capture different possible scenarios for the outbreak that are all determined by how agents behave. The equation-based model does not capture these different decisions and offers one course of outbreak. None of this would be possible if not for this amazing team. ABM COVID-19, participating on Cove vs. COVID-19 hackathon supported by the Swiss federal government. Please go check Nightingale and remember, vote for us when it counts.